Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the quickest way, thanks to which you can check the serial number, and it is with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer to be able to actually enter it, and the code is *06#. And as you can see, after scrolling down, you can see the serial number of this device in this whole pop-out window. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings. It is a little bit longer, however, it will help you if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So we have to enter the settings, then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system, and then tap on About Phone. Now we have to scroll down a little bit. That was a misclick. Let's scroll down and find the status, and scroll down again to find the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.